All my dear friends, welcome to Veggie's at Home Kitchen Gardens. As it is a weekend, I can visit my brother home, and here's my brother's neighbor home. We have seen a different type of marigold flowers I have blooms in the corner of the house. As this is to welcome the spring season, I have seen different colors, beautiful colors of marigolds, yellowish orange colors. We have seen beautiful flowers. Nice location, nice home, neighbor's home, and beautiful locations, and nice flowers, plants, full of flowers, full of beautiful plants, and beautiful lawn. You have. I hope you can like it. This video, this nice location to welcome the spring season here in starts in Asian Pakistan. Okay, bye, Asim Nawaz. Welcome to Veggie's at Home Kitchen Garden.